So it's early January here in Wisconsin, and gardening season seems so far away. Today, I went to the local Menards, which is a Midwest-based home improvement store, and found some gardening goodies to tide me over. Hey everybody, we're the Wisco Wheeler YouTube channel. We love riding our mopeds and all things Wisconsin. Hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Today, we'll show you a mini gardening haul we found the first few weeks of January, and also a project with our sprouted tulip bulbs. Be sure to check out the tulip update I added to the end of this video. First, I saw that 39-cent seed pack sale. Hold me back! Even at the regular price of 59 cents a pack, it was really tempting. I thought I had a fairly good selection of flowers, vegetables, and herbs, all at 39 cents. I picked up a pack of dill and thought this was a really great price. The variety was called Mammoth Long Island and an heirloom variety. That sounded good. And it's attractive and easy to grow. And that sounded good too. I was still a little skeptical, so I checked the back of the package and saw the 2021 stamp. Once I was home, I actually was wondering what was inside, so I cut the pack open just to see how many seeds were inside. After looking, I thought it was a decent amount for the price, and happy to find this deal. Okay, so now we're back at the store again and on to the Burpee seed section. They had a nice display at their everyday low price, and I decided already last fall that I did want to try the red sunflower seeds in 2021. And then I went on to look what was new for this year. The red sunflower seeds that Burpee had available were named Chianti Hybrid. It said that they had a 3 to 4 inch size bloom and they grew 4 to 5 inches high. So I think I'm probably going to try putting them in a large outdoor pot along with some other flowers. Okay, again, when I got home, I decided that I wanted to open the pack because it didn't feel like that there was a whole lot inside. All right, take a guess. How many do you think were inside? There were only 8 seeds. Wow, I really wasn't expecting that. So I'm glad that I'm just going to be using them in potted plants and not planning to plant a whole row of them. I found a package that was labeled new for the 2021 season, and the variety of it was called Glass Gem Corn. The back of the package said it could be used for popcorn, so I bought a pack for something fun to try. The Burpee price was $4.19, and the Menards low price brought it down to just over $2. The pack had over 50 seeds inside, so that will be plenty for me. I also picked up some organic seed starting mix. The bag contained 8 quarts for $4.97. The package says that it's eco-friendly, and it also says that the mix is especially formulated for your best garden ever. I can use all the help I can get. I also added to my cart some seed starter pots. I'm not starting seeds quite yet. It's a little bit early, but I will have them for when I'm ready to go ahead and start my tomato seedlings. I did like that they had the drainage holes in the bottom and an area where the roots could grow out if they started getting larger. I didn't pick up any additional seeds today. I wanted to give it maybe another week or two for some additional companies to start putting out their seeds. I could not resist this eucalyptus grow kit. I've always wanted to grow eucalyptus, but can never find the seeds. They also have lavender and herb in their grow kit selection for $4.97. Last year, I bought a kit similar to this, but with lavender And I ended up with 20 lavender plants that I was able to put outside. So I was really happy with that, and I'm hoping for some of the same results with this eucalyptus kit. So when I got home, I opened up the kit, and inside the grow kit was the pot and 2 growing medium pellets and a seed packet. It was easy enough to go ahead and add the recommended amount of water, and then the growing medium quickly absorbed it, and it was able to be fluffed up with a fork. I went ahead and opened the seed packet to add, and I was kind of surprised, but I had to dump it out into my hand to actually count, but there were only 5 eucalyptus seeds inside, so that's not really what I was expecting. I went ahead and planted according to instructions, but I'm really not expecting to get anything. I don't know. I'll keep you updated if I get any results. Okay, so this is pretty much what my finished eucalyptus seed planting looked like. It didn't say anything about covering it up, but I went ahead and put a saran wrap over it to keep a little bit of the moisture inside until the seeds sprout. And I really hope they sprout because I'd like to get a couple of eucalyptus plants for the summer. So we'll see what happens. When I was putting my supplies away, I discovered that I had put away some tulip bulbs that had been chilling in the garage and saw that they were beginning to sprout. Not sure how this is going to work because I'm not the greatest gardener, but guessing that it maybe is going to turn out better than the eucalyptus experiment. I grabbed a glass container, some rocks, and added some water just to the bottom of the rocks, and then went ahead and inserted my bulbs. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully I'll get a few tulips to bloom. That would make me happy. I was going to finish my video here, but I do have an add-on. It's about 5 days later, and I'll let you know what happened to my bulbs. Stay tuned. Okay, so I looked at my tulips, and 5 days later, I was really happy with what I saw. Here's an update on the tulips after 5 days. I started to see some rooting take place. A few of the bulbs are sending the roots down into the water. The sprouts look just a little bit taller too. I know it sounds crazy to some of you that live in the South, but a little green brings a lot of excitement to this Wisconsin girl in the middle of January.